Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change screen resolution in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and you might be decide to change your screen resolution. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find there something say display. After click over display, you need to scroll down and then you will find there something say screen resolution. From here, you can easily choose in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with three categories. You can choose Full HD Plus or FHD Plus or QHD Plus. From here you can choose here HD Plus. If you decide to make QHD Plus, and if you make it here apply, that's going to appear QHD Plus. So in this simple way you can easily change your preferred screen resolution in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. But make sure if you choose this QHD Plus, that's going to appear you're going to use your battery more. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.